If you have the triangle in your bag, it looks like this. I recommend keeping the plastic that it comes in. So you can take it out and put that plastic off to the side, and when you're finished with it, you can put it back in the plastic so it stays nice and clean. The triangle will allow you to create nice straight lines, but the best part about it is that it allows you to make right angles and parallel lines. So when you're using the triangle, you're going to line it up on the edge of your sketchbook. So I'm going to move this up so you can see. I take the triangle and I line it up right along the edge of my sketchbook, like that, and I hold it in place, and I use my pencil. I can create a line here. Now, if I use this pencil, it's going to make kind of a thick line. But when I'm doing precision drawing like this, I prefer a skinnier one. Let's take our 0.5 here. Okay, and I'm going to take that, and that allows me to make a nice straight line. Now, if I want a parallel line to that, all I have to do is slide it over, make sure that it's lined up on the bottom of my sketchbook, and then I draw my line. So the triangle is really, really handy when we start working with perspective. The other thing that you can do with the triangle is you can turn your book like this. So now we have these two lines. Well, I can take my triangle and line it up on the bottom down here on this side, and I can put a line there, and I can slide it over, make sure it's lined up here, and that allows me to make a very nice rectangle with right angles on all four corners. So triangles are a really handy tool, but I do highly recommend that you keep it in this plastic. If you already opened it and you didn't keep the plastic, no worries. You can just get yourself like a Ziploc bag or something like that to keep it in so it stays nice and clean. So that is your triangle.